Hi, and welcome back to Chris Does Crypto. Hopefully, you can't hear all this noise in the background. The golf course is being sprayed with chemicals at the moment. But yeah, look, it's beautiful here in Thailand. And it's that time of the week, right, where we continue the video series of how we build a crypto portfolio, starting with just $100. Dollar cost averaging each week, with realistic amounts of money, right? So nothing too over the top. But yeah, look, really exciting crypto market. The market is pulling back. Everything is happening as we forecast it over the last, 24 months now. And yeah, super excited to see these opportunities. But the portfolio has taken a bit of a hit. Need to be honest, right? We have been dollar cost averaging, and I've said many times that these dips are for buy-in. When you think about historical news out media outlets and coverage and all that sort of stuff, it's always been like doom and gloom in the bear markets. On these pullbacks, it's like it's all going to go to zero. It's not like that this time round. It is very, very different in the respect that we are now seeing institutions, hedge funds, big entities getting involved in crypto, even countries buying Bitcoin. So it's not going to zero. So now I think it's kind of safe to say that the buying opportunities are on every single one of these dips as we go into what I think is going to be the biggest bull run in the history of cryptocurrency. So look, the market is pulling back. Our portfolio is down 9.86%. Again, not concerned about all this. We're down $157.68. Might seem like a lot. If you're new in crypto, then this is just the usual stuff that you see, right? And this portfolio is going to be worth an awful lot of money in the future. So yeah, let's continue to delve into the projects that we're going to buy. And I'm going to be buying two. We're going to be sort of dollar cost averaging probably just over $100 this week. We do this every Friday. We're focusing on some really cool projects that we've already got in the portfolio. So we've got Bitcoin Layer 2 network stacks begins Nakamoto upgrade. Again, they're doing some really cool stuff, and you should be watching this particular blockchain. I think that they're going to be doing some phenomenal things, and I think they are going to be the biggest layer 2 on the Bitcoin ecosystem. So definitely worth checking that. We're going to dollar cost average 50% into stacks. And then we've got Injective. Injective launches Remix Web IDE, boost your smart contract development. So again, they're doing an awful lot, and the tokenomics for these projects are really, really good. If we look at stacks, 86% of the 81.662% of the supply is circulating already. So we're pretty much there, and it's pulled back nicely. We're down 7.79% at the time of recording, and then we've got Injective. I really do love the tokenomics of this project. I mean, just phenomenal, right? So yeah, I think this one's going to do really, really well as well. So let's sort of get to it then. Let's go over to trade. We're going to trade on spot because that's just what we do. We're going to search for INJ. It says we're not on fiat. We want it there on INJ. So Injective protocol. There we go. So we're going to pull that up on the screen. We're on buy. We're going to go market, right? So we're just going to buy 50% of what we hold, which is $52. And we're going to buy Injective protocol. And then what we're going to do is we're going to then search for DAX. Again on USDT pair, down 7.6%. I just think that this is just such a buy. $52.44. We're going to buy stacks. So there we go. Really nice purchase there. So what we'll do is we'll add them to the portfolio next. So we bought 32.84 stacks. We go over to the portfolio. We're going to add a transaction. We're going to search for the coin STX. That brings up stacks. The amount that we bought was 32.84. We're going to save that. And then we're going to add the coin INJ, Injective. I need to find out how much we actually bought of that one. We bought 2.8. So let's copy that from BitGet. And 2.83, I think I said. Let's just double check that. Just 2.8. Save. So there we have it. Our portfolio now is at 1,540.34. We're still down 9.49%, 161.5 down, and we can see the portfolio now. It's Ethereum top of the leaderboard really there. We got what is it, $315 worth. We've got Chainlink second with $279 worth. We've got Solana, $235 of that. Dinfinity, $230 of that. We got Injective, 125.58 of Injective now. Then we've got Polygon, followed by Internet Computer and Stacks. So yeah, look, the portfolio is going to start to really build up positively as we sort of get the Fed pivot out of the way and we move into more money printing, and we're going to see the values of these assets increase significantly. But between now and when the Fed pivot happens, expect volatility, expect lots of opportunities to be buying altcoins at super cheap prices, expect lots of doom and gloom in the media, expect an awful lot of negativity, and there's still a lot that could happen that people aren't talking about. There could be many altcoins or projects, and I'm just going to call it out, particularly in the gaming and metaverse sector, that could be failing right now, that could be out of money, that didn't have a long enough runway, that never really intended to build anything, and so on. So just be mindful that there's still a lot of projects that could fail over the next few weeks, few months, before we start to see the prices really start to increase. There could be a lot more pain before we start to see the benefits of the money printers coming on. And a lot of people don't understand this. When the Fed pivots, it's a sea of red. It isn't money printers come on and immediately there's liquid markets. That's not how it happens. There's a lot of people that are illiquid right now, that don't have money, that can't pay their bills, that are losing their homes, that are closing down their businesses. We're very much at the very beginning of some really negative times, and Warren Buffett selling even more stocks and being very, very liquid in fiat is a big concern that people should be monitoring. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.